In this episode, we're exploring 4 historic downtown tours. Care for a stroll?
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
Welcome to Plymouth, Wisconsin, one of the earliest settlements in Sheboygan County. The community dates back to 1845, when settlers from Pennsylvania were traveling back from Sheboygan Falls with their wagons of lumber. They settled not far from this spot, and as more people began to follow, the settlement of Plymouth was soon born.
Wow, so they came here for just 4 days?
Yes.
And painted how many murals?
21 murals.
In 4 days?
Yes.
That is crazy. And you were here for that?
Yes.
What was that like?
It was extremely exciting.
The Walldog movement began in 1993 and has been going strong ever since, traveling all over the country preserving historic downtown areas. These walls reflect the stories that have brought each town to where it is now. In June 2011, they converged onto historic downtown Plymouth.
I love that you literally can walk to so many of them.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It's all
that's
within
very
a
cool.
6-block radius
Right.
or so.
Where we're standing right here, you can actually see at least 4 of them without even moving at all.
Right.
I mean, it's a gorgeous downtown. It's a very beautiful downtown. Then you add all these wonderful murals on top of that, and it's just, there's things to see around every corner.
Yes.
I love it.
We're really proud of our downtown.
You should be.
Each of these murals has a story to tell of Plymouth's history. And as the cheese capital of the world, cheese has played a big role. Another mural that can especially attest to that is just outside the downtown, at the Sartori East Main Caves. We first meet up with Jim Sartori. You've been in Plymouth your whole life, essentially. Obviously, Plymouth and cheese go hand in hand, so I feel like you are the guy to give us that Plymouth history.
My grandfather, Paolo, who was a poor Italian immigrant, had come over at the turn of the century and worked many years at lots of different places until he discovered Plymouth, Wisconsin in 1939. So Paolo Sartori and my dad, Joe Sartori, who was a 21-year-old graduate student, started this little company, which at that time was S&R cheese, Sartori and Rossini.
When the Walldogs came to Plymouth and asked Jim how they would like their company represented on the mural, it was only natural for him to choose the original founder, his grandfather, Paolo. That mural resides right near the rock landmark dedicated to the first building built in Plymouth.
Yeah, to be a part of that is something special. We're proud of Plymouth. We love Plymouth. It's been our home for over 80 years. And we think it's special. The cheese production that we do here can only happen because of the great family farms that ship their milk to us and really help us. Our mission is to make the best cheese in the world, and we feel like this is the best spot to make the best cheese in the world.
From Isaac Thorpe, Plymouth's first resident, to the 19th century industrial growth of Plymouth Bottling Works, there's so much you can learn in a short walk here. And what better time to take the walk than during their cheese capital wine walk? 20 downtown businesses become wine tasting rooms, where visitors can check out each business and enjoy a wine sample, along with local cheese tastings and live music. With colorful murals helping to tell this city's story, Plymouth is fully embracing and celebrating its rich cheese history. Head to discoverwisconsin.com, where you'll find a list of everything to see in each of these historic downtowns.